Joshua is going to be here. He's going to be playing some wonderful music throughout the course of the show, but we're also going to feed Joshua.
Oh.
Thanks to the folks at Grace, Joshua is going to eat sardines. He was telling me.
I don't think I've ever had sardines before. Ever in my life. Ever.
So Grace is here to save Joshua's life.
Yeah.
You're gonna live an entire new life. Normally, I don't know. I mean, normally when you serve sardine, you crush it up and you mix it in.
My dad eats sardines all the time, so I see.
So you see
Love
right?
sardines, yeah.
So you see that smell? Oh my goodness! So just smell before I drain the oil.
Yeah, I smell it all the time in my house.
You serious? So your dad loves it.
He loves it. Dad and Chris, he's mashed out all the time.
So I'm just gonna drain out some of the oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the entire little fillets. So this is one fillet.
Oh, that's a real big boy.
That's a big fillet.
I'm excited.
And two fillets. So I think I want a couple more fillets. Lovely, big, nice fillets in the Grace can, the Grace sardine can. So this normally, Josh, you would take this and you would kind of just crush this up and season it up with some lemon and lime and some tomatoes and some onions and some peppers, and you do a nice little mix and you put it on your crits or you put it on your bread or whatever the case is. I want it to be a little different.
Naturally.
I have some nice bread here that I am going to just lay.
Some fancy, but that's what I
Yeah, so
come on.
So a nice hard sourdough bread.
Okay,
You can't use regular sandwich loaf, but I mean a nice hard sourdough bread is ideal for this because what I'm going to make is an open-faced sardine melt. That's why the cheese.
Okay, now I'm intrigued.
Right?
I'm excited.
All the ingredients: peppers, some onions, some tomatoes, some lime, a little shadow benny. All the ingredients that you normally put in sardine is here. It's just I'm plating it up and presenting it a little differently. Real simple. So I want to first just season some salt and pepper. A little lime juice over there. And I'm taking some garlic and I'm grating directly on top of the sardine. Once you have that done there now, Joshua, very, very simple. I have a little olive oil that I just want to just have a little additional layer of flavor.
Fancy.
So you just kind of sprinkle the olive oil over your bread like that. And now I want to start building the sardines, right? I want to start with some cheese. So you could use cheddar cheese, a little bit of mozzarella if you want, but a nice proper layer of cheese. I want to go with some tomatoes.
Okay.
So I'm just doing a pair of tomatoes, I think is more than sufficient here. And now I'm going directly with my sardines.
No, but these Grace sardines perfect. The final fit on the bread perfect.
It fits on the bread perfectly.
Just the correct size.
Just the correct size. I like the lovely meatiness of this Grace sardine. That's why I take some red onions and I just sprinkle on top. Sprinkle some red onions. I love onions. So if I put a little more on my own that I'm going to eat, don't worry. You like onions?
As I said before, I can't cook, so my palate has been developed to like everything.
You eat everything?
Everything.
Once you put it on the plate, Joshua eating it.
I got no choice. I can't do it. I can't make it something myself. So whatever they give me,
you're eating. You're eating. I am going to take this directly and put it in the toaster oven.
Okay.
So follow me. And it's going to just kind of just melt. The sardine is going to just kind of cook just that little bit.
Okay.
Broiling for about 5 to 7 minutes in the oven. Oh my God.
Okay. All right.
You see what I'm talking about, Josh?
Yeah, I'm excited.
So, the sardines, as I said, we normally, when we normally have sardines, what we would normally do is, as I said, you will mash it up, crush it up, This really now gives the full integrity of the entire fillet of sardine.
Okay, yeah, I feel it.
Seasoned, some nice salt, pepper, garlic. And as I said, I had the tomatoes there as a layer. And I just really wanted a nice melty, cheesy bite. So I just want to lay that there. A little final touch. A little shadow benny. A little dressing. Make it look pretty. And this is my Grace Sardine Melt. Thanks to the folks at Grace for making it possible. Do try Grace Sardines because Joshua Regrello is going to try sardines for the first time in his life. Cheers, my brother. To your first sardine on Copper Joe.
No. It's really, really genuinely so nice and it's the seasoning.
So simple.
I'm out of all.
This is really good, huh?
Oh no. No. Wait, I'll put it on. Hold on, I can't have it.
This is really good, huh?
No. It's the seasoning. Like when you time you bite it, you taste it. It's so good.
It's such a flavorful fish. Yeah?
So good.
I feel like we out and bad with that one.
Say no more.
Let me take a break. We out and bad. Joshua Regrello is in the house. The National Instrument on Showcase. We out and bad.